Get a screwdriver ready. Rotate the bottom counterclockwise according to the markings. Secure the cutting impeller according to the markings to ensure proper function. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws at the bottom of the ozone water machine. Clean the bottom components in sequence. This is essential for effective ozone water cleaning and to keep your fruit and vegetable washing machine operating at its best. After cleaning, reassemble the components in the correct order to maintain proper performance and functionality of the water ozone vegetable cleaner.